If you think Beijing is the place to understand China's history and Shanghai to witness its modern marvels, then prepare to be amazed by Shenzhen, the city that offers a vision of the future. Shenzhen is not just a city, it's a showcase of sustainable urban development, efficient public transport, and cutting-edge smart city technologies. But one of its most remarkable achievements is in the realm of education. Many believe that to truly understand the future of education, one should look at Shenzhen. Imagine walking into a classroom where digital whiteboards have replaced traditional blackboards, and every student has a tablet at their fingertips. It's a city where coding and artificial intelligence are integral parts of the curriculum, preparing students for the challenges of tomorrow. Now let's dive into this fascinating world. Shenzhen's educational system is nothing short of extraordinary. It's a city where green spaces and airy environments are the norms, and high-tech educational facilities are standard. Picture a typical high school in Shenzhen: a large science library filled with resources, classrooms equipped with high-resolution screens and 5G connectivity, a modern biology lab, and a professional robotics lab. There's even a flight simulator for the C-919, an aircraft fully developed and manufactured in China. The arts are equally emphasized, with dance studios, music classrooms, and theaters for performances. Sports facilities abound, ensuring that physical activity is a key part of student life. Additionally, students have access to dining halls and dormitories, creating a comprehensive and high-quality educational environment. But what really sets Shenzhen apart is its commitment to integrating advanced technology into the classroom. Companies like the Lursen Technology Company in Fujian Province are at the forefront of this revolution, developing innovative products for the classroom of the future. Their efforts aim to improve the quality of education through the use of smart technologies, such as smart lamps that focus light on specific students to enhance concentration and learning efficiency. The Chinese government's investment in education is significant. Since the 1980s, compulsory education policies have ensured that every child receives 6 years of primary education and 3 years of junior high school. Today, China boasts around 150,000 primary schools, with a student population of approximately 105 million. The net enrollment rate for primary education is over 99%, reflecting the country's commitment to making education nearly universal. In secondary education, China has about 880,000 junior high schools and 14,000 senior high schools, with an overall enrollment rate of approximately 89%. Technology plays a crucial role in enhancing the quality of education. For example, modern screens with anti-glare technology have replaced traditional blackboards. The Chinese government's commitment to education extends beyond policy to significant financial investment. In 2020, total spending on education was estimated at about 5.3 trillion yuan, equivalent to approximately 830 billion USD. This investment not only prioritizes educational development, but also provides a solid foundation for the country's long-term economic and social development. The government invests in physical infrastructure and modern technology in schools, including installing modern air purifiers to ensure a safe and healthy learning environment. These efforts enhance the quality of education and improve health and safety for students, enabling them to continue their studies effectively. China's focus is not only on physical facilities and technology, but also on enhancing the quality of educational human resources. Improving teachers' salaries and providing ongoing professional training are key measures to ensure teaching quality. This strengthens teachers' capabilities and contributes to creating a high-quality learning environment for students. Schools in China also prioritize creating a comfortable and friendly learning environment. For example, desks and chairs in classrooms are designed to accommodate students' sitting postures while studying and can be adjusted for resting, such as during nap time, a significant part of the school schedule for children in China. These designs ensure students' comfort and support their health and learning effectiveness. China's education system has made significant progress over the past decades, particularly in the context of the COVID-19 pandemic, where online education became essential. Major investments in digital learning platforms and resources have allowed the country to address educational challenges during the pandemic and continue expanding access to digital education in remote and rural areas. This includes the deployment of smart classrooms equipped with modern educational technology. Today, China boasts over 2,700 universities and colleges, with the enrollment rate in higher education increasing from just 3.4% in 1990 to over 54% in 2020. This growth reflects broader access to higher education and demonstrates the nation's continuous efforts to expand and improve the quality of higher education. Shenzhen's approach to education is holistic, encompassing physical, mental, and emotional well-being. Schools offer diverse extracurricular activities, from sports to arts, ensuring students receive a well-rounded education. The integration of technology extends to these areas as well, with digital platforms facilitating everything from music composition to athletic training. The commitment to vocational education is another aspect where Shenzhen shines. The city provides ample opportunities for students to pursue technical and vocational training, ensuring they are well prepared for the job market. This approach not only caters to students' varied interests and aptitudes, but also addresses the country's need for skilled professionals in various industries. During the pandemic, Shenzhen's schools quickly adapted to remote learning, showcasing their resilience and flexibility. Online platforms were utilized to deliver lessons, conduct exams, and maintain student engagement. The experience underscored the importance of digital literacy and the ability to adapt to changing circumstances. Remember to like the video, subscribe to Sud Media, and hit the notification bell so you don't miss any upcoming stories. If you think someone else might be interested in this type of video, please consider sharing it.